Let us look at the four major elements of nature and the energies of the 4 market days. The 4 market days system is an ancient 4 days week system observed by the ancestors worldwide when we spoke one language and practiced a common culture. It is still observed in most cultures in West Africa. In Igbo land, for example, every town, city or village has a market day. Igbo ancestors preserved this spiritual information in the market days, which are Eke, Orie, Afo, and Nkwo. Market days correspond to the way God, angels, energies, deities manifested in nature in each community. That means deities in Igbo land represent either air, sun, water, or earth energy, depending on their market days. Some are a combination of 2 or 3 of the 4 major elements of nature. Eke represents the energy of the sun, light or fire. Orie represents the energy of water. Afo represents the energy of the earth, while Nkwo represents the energy of the air. These are the 4 major elements of nature. In subsequent episode, we are going to look at how they manifest and take this further.